Good morning to everyone. This is the power of Lee Utabi Ungowe Ketelo. It's a Thursday morning. Kunento engifuna ukuyilungisa la. Ake silungisa nini? You will never find a millionaire. You will never find a millionaire going about asking abanye abantu ukuthi indlela yenza ngayo imali i-right na, indlela rada ngayo amabhizinisi wakhe i-right na. You will never find umfundisi going about asking abanye abafundisi ukuthi indlela ashumayela ngayo i-right na. In your journey you don't need validation. Ubizo, i-calling yakho was not a conference call. Bekungabizwanga abantu, azange kube i-conference call where people had to confirm and give a mandate ukuthi ubiziwe or not. So you are going to be lost if uzohamba umamela yonke into on social media. You are going to be lost or if uzomamela abantu who've got double standards. You are going to be lost if uzomamela imphuphe engasazi ukuthi yenze kanjani imali. I-question i-calling yakho. A calling is not enforced on anyone. As even us being or saying ngama self-initiate. Azange si-enforce leyo nto on people. We're not trying to make people believe or accept the CEO, that's it. It was our journey, sihambe ngendlela sihambe. Ukuthi ngifaka amabhayi anjani nani kwazi mina nama-guys wami. If you are going to doubt and second guess ama-guys akho, you're going to have problems because of social media. You are going to be lost if competition nabantu or ufuna ukumamela abantu who are ku-power trip. Abaku-power trip abafila ukuthi they are the only ones who are unique and called. Uzoba lost mawuhamba umamela yonke into. Second guesser because umuntu namhlanje ukutshela ngokuthi uyoshisa amabhayi akhe kusasa wazi ukuthi uhambe wayenza lawo mabhayi. Nibukela too much. Izinto eningahlangene nazo. Don't make people's problems yours. Namba ndoba nje namba ube i-dustbin uhambe usathe yonke le nkulumo nananana. Know who you are. Know your journey because i-journey yakho nenhlupheko yakho nama-struggles akho nama-challenges wakho yaziwa wuwe. Amaphupha akho, imibono yakho yaziwa wuwe. So you don't need anybody's validation ukuthi akutshele ukuthi wrong. Awukwazi ukungibuza ukuthi induke ngaziphiwa ngiziphiwe ngoba kwenze njani if ngiyi-self-initiate. It's not your problem. Focus on your journey. Into esigijimisayo like destination, yekela ukuconfuse abantwana babantu. Nabantwana babantu if bazohamba bamamela yonke into le yabantu ababhorekile, you're going to have problems. Uzohamba usiquestiona, uzobonisa into ebalekile bengasiza impilo yakho uqhubekisa ijourney yakho or step into the next level. Kube nzima because uhamba umamela yonke into ukuthi lay wrong lay right leyo. Sihlale sisho sithi i-calling yomuntu it's ayikho generalized. I-calling ayikho generalized, akusukuthi one size fit all. Bayazazi abantu abayenza izinto ezaba one size fit all ungazifaki lapho. Umuntu nomuntu uhamba ijourney yakhe, umuntu nomuntu unezinto zakhe zakubo. Imisamo yabantu destroyekile namhlanje because abantu badlale ngabantwana babantu. Abantwana babantu ba lost. Umuntu uhambile wayenza yonke into, wathatha yonke into, wathathisa nezinto ezirong, ba lost namhlanje. Now ufuna ukuzifaka lapho. Umuntu yena self akaqedanga masingamtshela indaba zakhe ukuthi awuqedanga khehla or awuqedanga salukazi lana ngathu. But as khuluma ngithi akusindaba zethu. You are going to be lost if you listen to everything. When I went through my self-initiation, I think there's a video I explain. I went through the phases of inner peace. First, I had to heal first. You need to heal on certain things. You need to heal on certain things first, spiritually, before uzongena kujeni. So uzohamba umamela yonke lento, uhamba udoba uzithatha izinto ezingahlangene nawe, azihlangene nawe. We don't enforce Tina. We've never enforced ijeni yethu or recalling yethu on anyone. But inkinga and I just feel like, at some point people have to accept ukuthi into mawungayazi funda ngayo, into futhi bawungayazi thola ulwazi, hlangana nabaziyo ubuze uthola ulwazi. I can never say to anyone ijeni yakhe wrong. Ngaze laphi manje nifuna ukuhamba nimamela yonke lento, umuntu akubuza ukuthi why ufaka ibhayiliso so uyaziquestiona ke ukuthi why ufaka amabhida so uzibonisiwe lezi zinto abakini, but manje sekuyinkinga ngoba uzibani banyana ofamous uthe hayi guys, hamba ijeni yakho. Baningi abantu abaqakekile bahamba ijeni, bahamba bamamela yonke lento le, umuntu uqakekile manje. Hamba ijeni yakho, qhubeka nejeni yakho the way ingakhona. Stop looking for, especially I wanna say this, stop looking for mentorship kubantu abangayazi ijeni yakho ukuthi mayelana nani. Stop looking for guidance kubantu abangayi-understand ijeni yakho ukuthi mayelana nani. Awukwazi ukuthi ungathi unamakhosi uyofuna ukumamela umuntu onganawo amakhosi, uthi unamabutho uyofuna i-mentoring ne-understanding kumuntu ongawazi amabutho. Uthi unabalozi uyofuna ukumamela i-mentorship and guidance kumuntu ongabazi abalozi. Okuphiwe listen to your guides and funa abantu abane-relevance, aba-relevant, aba-understanda. Ayikho into generic kubizwa, ayikho into generic ukuthi hayi ke ilento le one size fit all. Hayi niyasiphoqa yazi. Nami nimamela yonke yazi, sometimes you listen to ama comments ubone nje ukuthi abantu baze balahleka, balahlwa udoti. Yeah.